Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm riding with SM650 Road Burners. There's an exclusive Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 club, and I just synced up with them on the highway, and we are riding to a destination. And let's see how the ride goes. I will capture all the moments of the ride, and we are riding in formation. As you can see, there are riders in front of me. What are we stopping here for? Vishal, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Rajesh. This is something that I got from Delhi. It's not available in Bangalore. And this is has a waterproof container as well inside. Yeah, I just got it fixed yesterday, actually, last evening. Because I don't like the other kind of panniers. They don't kind of go with this bike. You know, what you have from other brands, they're okay for an ADV. But for this, it has to be something different. I don't know. Who's the manufacturer? There is a guy in Delhi who has an accessory shop called Dug Dug Motorcycles. So we are going? So we have approached the destination. There's a big bay place. We have arrived at the destination with the SM650 Road Burners, the motorcycle club. Hi, I'm Vishal. I'm shooting you right now.
Thank you.
Not literally, but videographing you. Hi, Ranganath.
Hi.
You-
Worship,
Hi.
how are you?
Good. Hello, how are you doing?
Good, thank you.
Viswajit, you already met. Hi.
Uday.
Uday. Why?
Hi.
This is Mukund. Hi, Mukund.
Hey.
Our Super Meteor 650s.
ಬಹಳ ಬಿಸಿದೆ. ನಾ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ಬಂದಾಗ ಗಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. The videos are really good. ಯಾರು ಡ್ರೋನ್ ನಿಂತ ಡ್ರೋನ್
All the bikes are lined up here. More people who have joined.
हम आए अभी जस्ट पार्क किए ऐसे खड़े हैं आप आए
Okay, let's go now and walk around and see.
what all options we have
Yeah.
Vijay is on the way Kiran is almost here I think by the time we finish off the winter shopping he'll be here yeah we are not started Which one? Kritunga. We'll go there, Kritunga. Okay, so veg and non-veg both are there. And wants to have a
Can we also get a coffee?
Oh, okay.
You have Starbucks.
Okay.
We have a Starbucks. 3 more guys have to come here.
Okay.
And then we sit somewhere and have a coffee, have some chit chats. Then
Okay.
we'll go for a night.
Fair enough. Fair enough. So finally, we decided to go to Starbucks. I think that's the only coffee place here. Ah, this is Starbucks. I'm with the SM650 Road Burners Bangalore. So we have Mukul here, who's the president of this club. So Mukul, do you want to tell us a little about this club, how it started, what was the motivation?
Sure, definitely.
What is the objective?
Yeah, so it was started in the month of November last year. That's when exactly most of us got our bikes. Since, as you know, that it's a new bike altogether. Thought let's get onto Facebook, create a group over there. Let's gather people to give information and get information. That was the basic intention about creating this group. Tappet adjustment that needs to be done in a first service, and people didn't know. Much of the guys who bought this bike didn't know about it, and few of the service centers were not doing this check whether it needs to be adjusted or not. Concern.
So basically this was like a community for
Right.
SM650.
Yeah, purely for SM650 because the bike is new. The information available outside are limited. For this particular bike, it's pretty new. So that was the main intention that we created this group, and especially to have users meeting each other in person. That was what we intended to have, and then we started to go for a ride, start the rides.
So we also have a ride coming up on the 28th. This is for the 25th anniversary of the
Kargil, yes. So on the occasion of this Kargil Diwas, there are a couple of organizations for the ex-soldiers, Akhila Karnataka Ex-Soldiers Association with C4 Society, again with Women's Bikers NGO and A7 Entertainment. So they are organizing it on the next weekend, that is 28th of July. So they are expecting this time around some 500 plus bikers to be in this ride. So out of 500, there will be 300 plus soldiers will be there. Some 200 plus ex-soldiers are there, and 100 plus tornadoes, and 100 traffic police volunteers, like traffic wardens will be there. So it's completely one start from Manikso ground. That is from the Bangalore location. It's a Manikso ground. They will be starting from there to the BSC ground. That is around 10 kilometers. So there is it's completely depending upon the patriotic experience for all the bikers, and holding the flag of Indian flag with the bikes, that will feel some immense pleasure while riding it. So it's definitely going to be awesome experience. So we'll be updating you on the next week.
I'm personally looking forward to this ride. Any other information you would like to give?
Kiran Bhai can give more on that.
Yeah, so the organizers, we have already rode with the organizers, those who are doing this event. So this is our second event with the same team. So it was fun. The previous event was related to the assembly elections, where they were promoting people to come and vote. So this is more of paying respect to our veterans and people those who fought for the Kargil war. So I appreciate people joining in, and the unity that we have in bikers. That's what we are trying to show here. It's a great initiative by Shifa Society. So moreover, we have a lot of veterans joining in, and we also have the traffic police and the wardens joining in as part of this ride. So it's going to be a huge event. It's going to be the entire day event. They're going to have a lot of activities at the venue.
Hi, I am Nitin. I work for a software company. All of us are united by the passion for riding bikes, and specifically when we got these bikes, there were not many people around. We wanted a community specific to the same bike, because we want people to have the same riding style, so that people who are a part of this community are connected first by the same bike.
Myself, Biswajit. So I belongs to Odisha, and I'm one of the founding member of this community. So this community has been formed from 2023 November. We have around 200 plus members in our community. So yeah.
Hi, I'm Ragnar. I stay in Bangalore. We founded this Super Meteor Road Burners in November 5th of 2023.
Okay, hi Vishal. My name is Kiran. So though I'm not a founding member of the SM650 Road Burners Bengaluru, so I'm part of the OB group, Office Bearer group. So, I think most of the things are covered. So soon we'll be having our first anniversary in November. So we are very excited to have 200 plus members in our group.
Hey, hi. I'm Mukund, yet another founding member of this community. In one sentence, birds with same feather flock together. So that's the intention.
We have Roshan, who is the member of this SM650 Road Burners Club. So Roshan, why did you join this club? What was the motivation?
See, basically, joining this club is I had bought a Super Meteor 650. I got their WhatsApp details and stuff from the internet, and I joined the group. Good thing about the club is, like, see, when you're riding a Super Meteor, all are the same, all ride the same bike, all have the same riding style, all have the same, it's like-minded guys. Yeah, brotherhood, that's it. That's very kind of organized, and they are like, anything they let you know, related to accessories, related to anything. It's good to ride with them. It is seriously good to ride with them.
That's a nice dog. Nice doggy. Nice doggy. Scotch. Scotch. Scotch, you want to ride a bike? Here's a helmet. It's too big for you. You can make a house of it. Yeah. Cool. Yes. That's a nice Scotch. Yes. Yes. I'll just walk around.